Now, when you land on the website, you can just search in Google for Jing, and then you would go to techsmith.com, and then you would click download here. I already have Jing on my desktop, so when you open it, it's gonna come up something looking like this up here, and then you're gonna hit capture. So whatever portion of the screen you want to capture, that's what it does. So first you have it like this, and then you click once and it captures it, and you can resize to whatever amount of capture that you need. Now what's important is when you go down here, you click capture image, right? So it actually captures the image. Now when it's selected on this, it will allow you to draw an arrow, right? You can even move the arrow. You can add some text. So you would first need to add a box looking like this, and you can add some text. I'm gonna add check out the resources, right? You can choose the font, you can choose the color here, see right there. You can also highlight, draw multiple arrows. I'm just playing around here, guys. You can move the arrow. And then when you are done, you give it a name. I'm just gonna name it image 1. So with whatever you're doing, you can capture your screen, then hit save, and I would save it in here, right? Go to desktop and hit save. I would go to my desktop. There it is, image 1. Click open, and there you go. It's about to come up. There you go, there's the image. Now when the image comes up, you have different options up here. You can create a slideshow, you can edit the image, you can share the image. Let's hit edit. Right, so it gives you the various options. You can crop, you can enhance, you can adjust. Right, it gives you several things to play around with, and you can hit save, and then it's saved. So guys, check out this free tool, no cost. I'll see you later.